Welcome back to Infigyan friends. Today in this video we are going to take up another challenging expression to simplify. It is 2 raised to the power 12 plus 81 power 2 over 1 square plus 4 cube plus 3 raised to the power 4 plus 1 over 5 square plus 11 square. So let's get started by writing the most powerful exponent law or property. It is a power b whole power c can be written as a power b times c can be further written as a power c whole power b. Let's apply this property. So I will begin with writing our exponents. So let me write 2 raised to the power 12. We can write 2 raised to the power 12 as 2 raised to the power 3 times 4. Now using this property we can write 2 raised to the power 3 whole power 4. So this is converting into 8 power 4. Now let us consider 81 square. 81 square we can write it is 9 square 81 then whole square. Using property I can write this is 9 power 2 times 2 which is equal to 9 power 4. Now third denominator exponent it is 1 square is straight away 1. 4 cube we can write it is 2 square whole power 3. Now I can use this property and I can take the product 2 times 3. So we can write this as 2 power 3 whole power 2. So this exponent will convert into 8 square. Similarly, the last denominator exponent 3 raised to the power 4, we can write it is 3 raised to the power 2 times 2. Using this property, I can write 3 square whole square. And ultimately, we are having 9 raised to the power 2. So numerator we have 8 power 4, 9 power 4. Denominator we have 8 square, 9 square along with 1. Let's write. So I will be writing 8 power 4 plus 9 power 4 divided by 1 plus 8 square plus 9 square. Now I will use one manipulation step. See, this term is also there. 1 over 5 square plus 11 square. So our manipulation step is I will add and subtract 1 here. And then I will split our numerator. So we can write after splitting, we can write 1 plus 8 power 4 plus 9 power 4 in one bracket. Then I will be writing minus 1. Then common denominator 1 plus 8 square plus 9 square. And here this term is as it is 1 plus 5 square plus 11 square. Now let's split our numerator. So I can write 1 plus 8 power 4 plus 9 power 4 over 1 plus 8 square plus 9 square and then minus 1 over same denominator 1 plus 8 square plus 9 square plus 1 over 5 square plus 11 square. Now I will consider the last two terms actually. I will write these two. Okay. I can write 1 over 1 plus 64 plus 81. And here I can write 1 over 25 plus 121. So if I will sum up, this will be 1 over 146 with negative sign. And here I am having 1 over 146 with positive sign. So these two terms we can cancel out. So what is left? It is only 1 plus 8 power 4 plus 9 power 4 in the numerator, and in the denominator 1 plus 8 square plus 9 square. Only we have to simplify this. Let me write here. Plus 9 power 4 over 1 plus 8 square plus 9 square. Now let us consider x is equal to 8 or 8 is equal to x. So 9 we can write x plus 1. Let's write. Let me call this is my expression E. So I will write expression E equal to 1 plus x power 4 plus x plus 1 whole power 4 divided by 1 plus x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Now we know the Pascal triangle expansion of x plus 1 whole power 4. Coefficients are, let us write quickly, 1 to 1, 1 3 3 1 for power 3, and for this problem 1 4 6 4 1 is required coefficients. So let me write our expansion. 1 plus x power 4 plus x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1. This is our numerator. Denominator is 1 plus x square plus a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2x plus 1. Let us simplify a bit. So I can write E equal to 2 times x power 4, 4 times x cube, 6 times x square, 4x and plus 2 divided by 2x square plus 2x plus 2. Now 2 is common in the numerator. I will write 2 common. So it will become x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. And in denominator also 2 is common. So in bracket x square plus x plus 1. Now these 2 I will cancel. Now in numerator it is x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 left. Let us write here. So I will write E equal to x power 4 plus 2x cube. Now 3x square. Now can we split 2x square plus x square? This is our 3x square. Now 2x plus 1 as it is. And this is numerator part only. Expression numerator. Now expression numerator I can write in this order. X power 4 plus x square plus 1. Then we can write 2x cube. Then we can write 2x. And then we'll be writing 2x square. So I have written this intentionally to demonstrate how it is one perfect square. Let me write x power 4 as x square whole square. X square can we write x whole square. And then 1 we can write 1 whole square. Then I will be writing 2x cube in this way. 2 times x square times x. So this is 2ab plus 2 times x times 1, 2bc plus 2 times 1 times x square, 2ca. So this is recalling one identity. Let me write in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is a plus b plus c whole square. So what is a? X square. What is b? X. What is c? 1. So let me write our expression now. Numerator is x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Denominator was x square plus x plus 1. Okay, let me write here also. It is equal to x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Now we can cancel this power with the denominator. So what is left? X square plus x plus 1. What was x? Our substitution. X was 8. Let us put the value of x. So it will become 8 square plus 8 plus 1. So our final answer becomes 64 plus 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 64 plus 9 is 73. And this is our final answer. I hope friends this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care.